Ever wondered how some simple AI-generated videos are racking up millions of views? Check this out. A video of a fish, 2.4 million views. A video of a snail, 2 million views. And this one, 8 million views. Crazy, right? It all comes down to one simple AI method. Recently, I stumbled upon something that blew my mind, an Ultra HD AI video of a grasshopper playing a guitar against a stunning wheat field backdrop. The results? 8.6 million views, 11,000 plus comments, nearly 1 million shares. I thought this must be the work of a pro animator, someone with years of experience and high-end tools. But then I had to ask, what if it's not that complicated? So, I went deep into testing every AI tool out there, reverse engineering the exact steps used, and guess what? I found the formula to create these viral AI videos. But I didn't stop there. I checked YouTube to see if people were talking about this, and guess what? No one. Literally no one. This is a completely untapped gold mine. Imagine being one of the first to dive into this viral AI niche on YouTube. Stand out from the crowd. Explode your views, subscribers, and income. No competition. Yet this is your chance to get ahead before everyone else jumps in. And in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. The first step? Crafting an image prompt. Don't worry. I've got a ready-to-use template for you. Just swap out the animal's name and you're good to go. For this demo, I'm using a cat playing a guitar, but you can pick any animal you want. Next, let's generate highly detailed image descriptions using ChatGPT. Simply paste in your prompt and boom, you get an insanely accurate description for each image. Now let's bring those prompts to life using AI image generation. For this demo, I'm using Leonardo AI because it's free and it's super easy. Here's what to do. Google Leonardo AI and click the first link. Sign up, takes 2 minutes. In Settings, Model, choose Leonardo Phoenix 1.0. For mode, click Classic Mode. Aspect ratio is 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts. Now paste your ChatGPT-generated prompt into Leonardo AI and hit Generate. And just like that, you have stunning AI-generated images that look like they were made by a pro. And it's 100% free. Not happy with an image? Tweak the prompt and try again. Now let's take those AI images and make them even better. We'll use CapCut Upscaler, which is totally free, to enhance the quality. Upload the image, set the resolution to 4K, and click Upscale. And just like that, the image looks crisper and more detailed. Once you're happy, hit Export. Next up, we turn those high-quality images into animated videos. There are plenty of AI tools for this. Runway, Kyber AI, Pabs Hyper AI. But for this demo, I'm using Hailuo AI. Open Hailuo AI. Sign in with Google. New users get a 3-day free trial plus 100 free daily tokens. Choose Image to Video. Upload your 4K upscaled image. In the description box, type, a cat gently strumming a guitar, nodding its head to the rhythm. Click Create. Repeat this process for all your images. If you're a free user, animation might take a while, so grab a coffee. To make the video feel alive, we need the right music. For this, I grab guitar sounds from Pixabay, a free sound library. Download sound effects. Import them into CapCut now. It's time to put everything together. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Import the animated videos. Drag them onto the timeline. Add smooth transitions. Sync the sound effects with visuals. Once everything looks polished, hit Export and set the resolution to 4K for maximum quality. And that's it. You've just created a viral AI-generated video from scratch. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI content. This niche is still untapped, so get in early before the market explodes. Ready to go viral? Let's make it happen.